Eat almonds every morning, and this will happen to you. The almond is a very healthy nut that should be a mandatory item of your nutrition. Almonds contain vitamins, minerals, protein, and fiber, and may offer a number of health benefits. Just a handful of almonds, approximately 1 ounce, contains 1/8 of a person's daily protein needs. Benefits of almonds. Number 1. Almonds are loaded with nutrients, antioxidants, and vitamin E. They are native to the Middle East, but California is now the world's largest producer. Almonds contain a few beneficial elements like fiber, protein, good fat, vitamin E, manganese, and magnesium. Almonds are a fantastic source of antioxidants, which protect against oxidative stress that can damage molecules in your cells and contribute to inflammation, aging, and diseases like cancer. The powerful antioxidants in almonds are largely concentrated in the brown layer of the skin. For this reason, blanched almonds, those with skin removed, are not the best choice from a health perspective. Number 2. Almonds can lower cholesterol levels. High levels of LDL lipoproteins in your blood, also known as bad cholesterol, is a well-known risk factor for heart disease. Some studies have shown almonds to effectively lower LDL. Doctors have found that a diet providing 20% of calories from almonds lowered LDL cholesterol levels. Number 3. Acne removal and skin aging prevention. Almonds make your skin soft and supple and also prevent and reduce inflammation of acne, which is caused by P. acne bacterial infection. Just grind a few soaked almonds and mix it with honey to create a quick, effective acne face mask. Almonds offer anti-aging properties since almonds contain high levels of vitamin E, a strong antioxidant that can fight aging caused by free radicals. Number 4. Lower blood pressure. By reducing cholesterol levels and maintaining healthy blood vessels, almonds help to maintain normal blood pressure. Almonds are also low in sodium and high in potassium, which can prevent high blood pressure. Number 5. Stroke prevention. Strokes are the number 1 cause of death in the developed countries. Almonds can help to reduce the risk of stroke by keeping your arteries healthy and by maintaining a normal blood pressure. High blood pressure and faulty arteries are the leading cause of strokes, which are more deadly among younger patients. Number 6. Contribute to a healthy digestive system. Fiber in almonds is beneficial for the digestive system and helps with the absorption of nutrients. Almonds also promote the development of good gut bacteria, which play an important role in the digestive process. Number 7. Almonds will make you smarter. I knew it! Almonds improve your memory and help children build their cognitive functions, so they're an important part of their diet. I hope this video was useful to you. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching!